I'm going to be teaching synthetic division. The first step you will be needing to take is to equate x plus 3 to 0. X plus 3 equals 0. Then x will be equal to negative 3. You will be needing to put the negative 3 here and put the coefficients inside this. 4 minus 3 plus 1 and plus 24. You will be first needing to bring down 4 and multiply it to negative 3. 4 times negative 3 equals negative 12. Then negative 12, then you will be adding this. Negative 3 plus negative 12, negative 15. Then negative 15 times negative 3, you will be getting positive 45. Then 46 plus 1 equals 45 plus 1 equals 46. Then 46 times negative 3 will be 138. Negative 138. 24 plus negative 138, it will be equal to negative 114. That will be the remainder. So that will make 4x squared negative 15x and plus 46 plus negative 114 over x plus 3. There is also a case 2 for synthetic division when there's a missing variable in the equation. So again, you will have to do what you did earlier, which is first equate x minus 2 to 0. X minus 2 equals 0. Then x equals 2, positive 2. So you will have to put 2 here, then put the coefficients inside here, 4. Then since there's a missing variable, you will have to put 0 in its place. 6, then negative 8. Bring down 4. 4, multiply it by 2, 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 plus 6 equals 22. 22 times 2 equals 44. 44. The remainder will be 36. So the final answer will be 4x squared plus 8x plus 22 plus 36 over x minus 2. That will be the final answer for case 2. The last case for synthetic division is when you get a depressed equation. The first step you will be needing to take is to do the same as the others. You solve it first. First you equate x minus 1 to 0. X minus 1 equals 0. Then x will equals to positive 1. Then you put 1 here, and then the coefficients inside this. 1 plus 4 plus 1 and minus 6. Bring down 1, multiply it by 1 equals 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. Then 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then you multiply it by 1 equals positive 6. There will be no remainder. But when you go to get the final answer, you will have to x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is still factorable. So we still need to find the factors of this equation. X plus, since it's both positive, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 times 3 equals 6. So those are the factors of this equation, 2 and 3. this is your final answer.
Welcome to another portion of this math tutorial, and now we are going to tackle about how to get the area of a sector. Before we get into it, let me first tell you what a sector is. So in here, the shaded part is the sector, which is defined as the portion of a circle covered by a central angle. And the formula to get the area of it is area is equal to theta over 360 pi r squared. And now I have prepared here two problems, and let us first focus on the first one. So we are going to find the area of a sector in which the radius is 6 centimeters. So we are going to use the formula and we are just going to substitute it. And as you can see, it has formed a right angle. So the theta will be substituted into 90 degrees over 360 pi. Our radius is 6 centimeters squared. And now I have solved 90 over 360 and pi 6 squared, and I multiplied them both, and I got 28.27 centimeters squared, which I rounded off into 2 decimal places. And now moving on to the next problem. The radius and the angle here are given, and we are just going to use the same formula, and we are also just going to substitute it. So 43, which is our angle, over 360 pi r, which is 7 centimeters squared. And I just also solve for 43 over 360 and pi multiplied to 49, and then I also multiply them both, and the answer that I got is 18.39 centimeters squared, which I also rounded off to 2 decimal places.